Okay. Should I say what I'm researching? Okay. I'm researching damming and dam removal in fish hatcheries, specifically with salmon in the Pacific Northwest, for a class that focuses on marine biology in oceans. Okay. Let's see. First, I'm going to start with looking up a film that got me interested in this. Okay, I guess I'm looking into fishing and fisheries and just gathering information about the current conditions of the salmon in the Pacific Northwest. Let's see. Okay, I found a few articles about the Pacific Northwest, so I'll just bookmark this page so I can come back to it later and read all of them. A lot of them are about fisheries in general. There's a couple about salmon specifically, so I'll just click on that and see where it takes me. now I'm looking up the definition between a fishery and a fish hatchery, because apparently they are two different things. Okay, and I found something about hatcheries versus wild salmon in Oregon. Looks like a study that was done. Hatchery and wild salmon, steelhead. Okay, yeah. Okay, right now I'm just trying to get an understanding of fish hatcheries and dams in general, and what they are, how they impact, and then go into more specifics and the problems that they create with the data later, once I understand like what I'm actually reading about. Okay. Okay, so in this article, the CCA is talking about eliminating the use of gill nets, and that the Washington Fish and Wildlife Commission voted in favor that eliminate it. So I'm just gonna look up the Washington Fish and Wildlife Commission and see what they're about, just to cross-reference. Okay, I'm curious though to see what Oregon is on this, because it's mainly about Washington. But I know the Columbia is the border between those, but I don't know if... Let's see if Oregon has... what its deal is. Okay. This probably has some data on it, so I'm going to save it and come back later and read the numbers. Okay. Okay, let's see, going back to dams, I'm not seeing any other links off of this site. Okay, I'm reading a lot about something called deadbeat dams, and I'm not fully sure what that is. I can assume it means dams that aren't doing anything, but just to be sure, I'm gonna look it up. See, there's a New York Times article about tearing them down.